Well, hello everyone, Mr. Jeff the Custodian here. Echo in the bathroom, but I have been deep cleaning bathrooms today because we are officially done with the classes for the spring semester here at the college. So I took advantage of the day of coming in and doing some really deep cleaning in my restrooms and getting ready for the summer. You know, those things that you can't do when people's here is easy as get in the bathrooms and different things and really do some deep cleaning and some deep scrubbing. And also have been through my halls and mopped the floors and got them ready to burnish or whatever I decide to do to them. I'm gonna show you a classroom here in a minute that we're gonna strip this summer, but I'm gonna go in this restroom right here and kind of show you. Cleaned the floor really good and scrubbed around the commodes, cleaned the chrome, just really get down there and get with it on this summer bathroom cleaning. I always love doing this. I always love how it smells and how it looks. Wish it could stay this way, but it can't. But you have to take advantage of these opportunities when you get them. Came here today and scrubbed the top of these tables down really good, stacked my chairs up in this lecture lab right here, and come in here and started cleaning the carpet really good, getting it ready to go. You say, well, Mr. Jeff, if this is your first day with students being gone, why are you doing so much? Well, I'm just the type person, I like to get my stuff done because you never know what's gonna come up, which you may be pulled off, asked to do. And I just like to do things and kind of get it behind me. I've pushed a little harder today than I normally do, but I'm just trying to get myself out of that lethargic mode because this is my 25th year of being a custodian. And I just gotta be honest with you, it's just harder for me to get motivated like I used to, not as young as I used to be. And I just got to get myself there mentally. Once I get started, I'm pretty good, but it just takes me a little while to get in that mood and that mode to get in here and start doing that deep cleaning. But don't have to do it. I don't have to do it, have to push through it and just get in there and get her done. We're going to chemically strip this floor this summer. This is a theater classroom, and you can tell that this floor is really, really damaged and just really, really bad. I know a lot of y'all in high school that have these kind of floors where you have choirs and dancing and stuff. They just take a beating. So hopefully I will remember when I strip this floor to make a video of that. I haven't made a video of stripping and waxing floors, and last year we did. We had a really bad job last year that I made a video on, but there's always an interest in that, and always an interest in what we got going on in our world of custodian and what we do. A lot of people just think, we don't do anything in the summer sometimes, that we just, students are gone and what do? You got your whole summer off. No, we don't have our whole summer off. We have to get in there and get it. So y'all let me know in the comments if you're a custodian out there, what you got going on this summer. Have you got yourself in the mood yet? Are you motivated to get it done? I know a lot of y'all enjoy it when the students are gone because it's a change of pace and it's something a little bit different, but it is, man, I'm whistling and it is a lot of hard work for sure. And I could put this Burger King hat on and that might help me get motivated more. What am I doing? As hard as summers are, it's always a good feeling when you have put in a hard day's work and you can stand back and look at what you've done, and as soon as students come back and people come back in your buildings, it's going to get messed up. You know that. But the thing about it is when you do that deep cleaning, what I have found out, and it has never failed me to be true in the last 25 years of doing this, that it makes your job easier throughout the year. It makes it easier to maintain. And then, when next summer rolls around, you get to do it again. That's just the way it rolls in this hamster wheel of being a custodian. But anyway, we're in the groove. We're getting in the groove, and we got to get her done. I know some of y'all still got students, and you still got a few weeks to go, but it's coming. And you got to be ready and prepared, and you got to hit the ground running, or guess what? You just won't get it done. Definitely in the public school system. If you work in a K through 12 school, yeah, I know how it is. Worked there 19 years. You got to hit the ground running. And you go home, you know, so tired you can't hardly see straight sometimes, but that's just the way it goes. And I hope y'all just get out there and get after it, and let me know, you know, in the comments what you got going on this summer and what you doing with it. And how's it affecting you? Are you ready? Y'all have a great day.